We have a naturopathic medical center called HALE HEALTH, and it's a center for integrative medicine in Tualatin. And we have a knack for doing nutritional IVs for patients with chronic illness, and a lot of dermatology and chronic pain management as well. So that's kind of what I do, and a little bit of what Constance does. So
I also do a lot of primary care, just general allergies and weight loss and flu, those sorts of symptoms as well.
I think what sets us apart is our love for what we do, and our passion for the medicine, and just wanting to help people in general. And our clinic is a very comfortable setting. You walk in and it feels like home. Like, we have a TV set up in the IV room, big comfy chairs. People get offered tea or coffee or water, whatever they prefer. And I think it's just that nice home feel that you get when you come in. So
definitely, I agree. We also we have a lot of extra training in aesthetic medicine, anti-aging, IV therapy, those sorts of things.
Yeah, so the IVs are designed, we customize every formula for each patient depending on what their health concerns are. So I would sit down with them and set some goals, if they need more energy, or if they have a chronic digestive complaint, or they're not absorbing their nutrition is a good way, or maybe they have cancer and they just want to, offset the side effects of going through chemotherapy or radiation. So we can customize the formulas, and they can just come in and hang out for an hour or two. Whatever people want, we're just there to make them comfortable and help them at the same time. I go to school. I'm continuing to learn all the time. So I'm actually in a master's program for Chinese medicine. Work out at different, go to bar classes and that sort of thing. So that's kind of, what keeps me going, and just meeting new people and putting myself out there. So
yeah, I'm similar. I love to be active, sports activities, every kind you can think of, as well as continuing to learn. I'm constantly enrolled in classes, learning Spanish, getting a master's degree, and continuing education towards medicine as well. So.
Oh boy, we thought a lot about that.
We have.
So our long-term goal is to have multiple clinics all over the country. And so this is just the first of many to come. So there's a lot of areas that don't have access to naturopathic medicine like we do here in the Portland area. We're very fortunate here. And other states that license naturopaths, we want to go to those states and set up similar clinics. So this is just the first of many, but we live here for now, so we're able to start this one here first. So, oh man.
We love Tualatin.
Yeah, we do. I live in Beaverton right now, but I want to move here.
We both, I want to relocate.
Yeah, we do. I love this community. It's just, the chamber's been so welcoming, and, we just really love, being out here, so it's a great place. Definitely just thinking about, people and, what we're doing affects them, in their daily life, and how we can make it better. So that's definitely what I think about a lot.
Yeah, I just want to do the best I can, to help people and support people.
I know how important it is for small businesses to be, in a community. Just networking and getting to know different people, and having the support from the chamber and everything.
Yeah, the sense of community.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, for sure.
Everybody knew I was going to be a doctor. I mean, in my high school yearbook, they were congratulating me in advance for my future educational goals.
So going through high school, I did a lot of human physiology and pre-med classes in high school, and then carried that on to my undergraduate studies as well. So, I think it was kind of expected for me as well. But.
Actually, it's my husband's all-time favorite band in the whole world, and it was the song that we danced to at our wedding. So, it's my favorite.
Downton Abbey.
Oh man, where do you begin with Downton Abbey?
Matthew, that's what I'm upset about.
Yeah, Matthew was upsetting. I agree. See how people lived, and that was their reality, and so I kind of like the history aspect of it. Like, I would be Catwoman, and who would you be?
Batman. Yeah, definitely.
Which Batman though? What was the first guy, the first actor?
I'd be
Clooney? No.
Clooney. Well, there's Clooney. There's
I would definitely be Christian Bale.
Really?
Bale.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
No, it was Michael Keaton.
Yes.
Michael Keaton, yeah.
Yeah.
My grandmother inspired me. She's an amazing woman. She just turned 90 last week, and she still gets around very well. But she's been through a lot in her life, and she just keeps going.
The person who inspires me is my husband. He is paralyzed and was paralyzed around 12 years ago, and it just didn't let he just didn't let that get in his way. He just moved past it.
Shout out to Ryan Slazak over at Bannerbank.
Mhm.
He's the one that introduced us to Clyde at the chamber, and to another chiropractor in town, Dr. Larry Brooks, over at the Upper Cervical Clinic. So they both have been wonderful, and it's been nice to network with them. So
And that is it, ladies.
Okay,
that
great.
was painless.
yay!
Cool. Thank you both very much. You were
Thanks,
great.
Ryan.
I love it. I love it. I love it.
Thank you.